Ladies and gentlemen, today I stand before you to delve into critical discourse, the comparison between online and face-to-face classes, and their impact on learning outcomes and student engagement. In the digital age, online classes have revolutionized education, offering unparalleled flexibility and accessibility. Students can learn from anywhere at any time, breaking down geographical barriers and accommodating diverse schedules. This flexibility undoubtedly has its merits, empowering learners to tailor their educational journey to their individual needs. However, let us not overlook the essence of face-to-face interaction. In traditional classrooms, students engage in real-time discussions, debates, and collaborative activities that foster deeper understanding and critical thinking. The immediacy of face-to-face communication cultivates a sense of community and accountability, driving students to actively participate and immerse themselves in the learning process. Furthermore, face-to-face classes often provide hands-on learning experiences that are challenging to replicate in an online environment, whether conducting experiments in a science lab or engaging in role-playing exercises in language class. This tactile experience to enrich learning and enhance comprehension. Yet, we cannot ignore the potential of online classes to democratize education. They offer a lifeline to those who cannot access traditional brick-and-mortar institutions due to various constraints. Moreover, online platforms often incorporate multimedia resources, interactive simulations, and adaptive learning techniques that cater to diverse learning styles, thereby promoting inclusivity and accessibility. In assessing the impact on learning outcomes and students' engagement, we must recognize the strengths and limitations of each modality. While online classes offer unparalleled flexibility and accessibility, they may lack the interpersonal dynamics and hands-on experiences essential for holistic learning. Conversely, face-to-face classes foster community collaboration and immersive learning experiences but may struggle to accommodate the diverse needs of today's learners. Therefore, rather than pitting online against face-to-face, let us embrace a hybrid approach that leverages the strengths of both modalities. By integrating online resources with face-to-face interactions, we can create a dynamic learning environment that maximizes learning outcomes and student engagement. In conclusion, the debate between online and face-to-face classes is not about choosing one over the other, but about harnessing the power of both to create a more inclusive, accessible, and effective educational experience for all. Thank you.